Okay, let them join. Okay, as usual, I'm joining. Everyone knows the login now. I'm audible, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, again, this is an easy thing. Just you have to see this question number and this answer. This is an IFA form or working form, right? This is our IFA form having 33 boxes. So the question is 24D modifier. I will go. Okay, it's here. It's starting. 2, 3 are blank, 4 is blank, everything is blank. This is or in edit. So control. I'm giving control dot dot to next. Here it is fuel. Fuel. Sometimes its answer will be Z or something like this. G2 Z2. It's a fuel. Here it is empty. This is a provider ID presented upon this NPA ID. Okay, don't let confuse this provider ID and NPA. NPA number will be straight on this. This is a provider ID. Yeah, it's correct, and everything is correct. So I'm giving edit, alt enter, and next also again IFA form 24C, the line 2. So the next one is in edit modifiers. Only IFA form we should enter the modifier. Everyone please note this is, I think so, this is an afternoon session, so please be an active. Okay, only IFA form, only this form we should enter the modifiers. In UB form we should not enter the modifier. All the modifiers are blank. Okay, only like you remember this date, only this date session you have to enter the modifier. Here it is blank. So next it is not there, and the days are 7, and this is blank, 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 everything is blank. NDC, always the NDC line is here. The answer is not presented. For example, I'm saying the NDC line will presented here, right above the date, from date 05/11/25 is there. No, this upward the NDC line will be present. Like for example, I'm saying for example, the answer will be N4 something 11 number will be present. You should enter whole number, like starting N4 to whole number on this one line, NDC line. Now the answer is blank. So next, I'll enter. There is no question number, and this is our working form. So we should do alt enter. This is a UB form. I said this before. Here the modifier is not there, but if the modifier is presented here, means you should enter on this one line. Not you should not separate it modifier 1, modifier 2. Modifiers are blank here. Okay. The question is 43 description line 1. The first line is here. Description IV therapy is correct. Control dot. I'm giving control dot to next. It's in edit. Modifiers are always blank. Here it's service date. That's also okay in edit. Charges are correct. Okay, everything is correct. So I'm giving edit alt enter. Yeah. Here it's a patient number 3A, patient control number. If any slash or hyphen it's presented, means you have to enter here. There is no slash or hyphen present. If there is, means you should enter here. Only for the dates there is no slash hyphen. Or otherwise in description line or in this control number, tax number, you should enter the slash or something if it is presented, means. Yeah, it's correct. And giving control dot to next 90002185520. Yeah, it's a 3B medical record number. It will be present in very small letter. You should memory this. Okay. The first line is three patient control number. Second line is medical record number. It will be present at a small letters. And next, everything is on edit. So edit, alt enter. Yeah, right. This is also an IFA form. 10B state. The question is 10B state. 10B state answer will be present here. Now there is no answers. It's blank. So I'm giving control dot to next. And the question is 10D climb codes. This is also blank. So alt enter. Alt enter to complete this file and moving on to next. Yeah, it's a 17th question. 17 QL is DN. See here. And the 17th referring physician origin. Its answer is Islam Goma. Yes, its spelling was correct. You just want to check the spelling. That if the answer is presented means you have to check the spellings are correct because everything is in capital letter. Every answer should be on capital letters, no small letters. Okay. Yeah, it's everything clear. So I'll enter. And next, the question is this is also HIFA form. HIFA form means I told about health insurance claim form. 5 patient zip code extension. And every answer like little shaded on here. Okay, the question and answers will be like shaded. Zip code extension is not here. Yes, zip code only zip code has 5 number. So it's blank. You must check the telephone number. Yeah, it's correct. So 492. It's correct. So I'll type. This is also non question number. So we are giving alt enter. Yeah, this is the thing we have to know. This is our working form, right? But we are having the question number on another working form. The working, the two also working form, but the answer is presented on various form. So just given alt enter. Do not reject this form. Alt enter. Blank. Up B to L is blank. So check here. Just check here and drag down. It's everything blank, no? So you have to give alt enter. Yes. Again, it's IFA form. 24D modifier. I told about only things we have to modify. Consider modifier is IFA form. Our first modifier is RH. Okay, correct. Next, there is no modifiers. And everything is on edit. This is a provider ID and this is NTA. And there is no NDC line. NDC line answer will be presented here. So I'm giving alt enter. Yeah. The question is 9 other insurance full name. Where it is here. Check the spelling it's where it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. So giving control dot to next question. 9A other insurance policy or group number. Here it is. Yeah, it's also correct. So I'm giving control dot to next question. Risk cap ambulance insurance. It's a 90 plan name. See here it is. It's a 90 plan name. This is also correct. There is no more questions, so I am giving alt enter. If anybody want to say something,
No, ma'am.
okay. And this is also it's everything it's blank, so I'm giving edit and alt enter. Anyone having the doubts on keywords? All of you clear on your keywords like control dot, control
Yes,
comma.
ma'am.
Clear ones. Then you have the ready to work. You are all ready to work. Charges. This is all about line 2 and the charges is 96 point. Okay. And days is 4. EPSDT is blank. Here it is small box. This is an H box. It's a small box and it's blank. Fuel is blank. Provider is blank. Again NPS in edit. And also
If
NDC line. I
anyone
told
have
about
any
NDC
doubt, they
line.
can ask.
Quantity and unit also every quantity NDC quantity and NDC unit is blank. Always you must keep this blank. You can note this.
If
The
anyone
NDC
have
line
any
mean
doubt, they can
I will
they
send you
can
the
ask.
sample form for this NDC line. Okay, let's remember your TL or your
If
team
anyone
leader.
have any
I
doubt,
will
they
send you
can
the
ask.
sample for NDC. Okay, this is UFO form. It might be slow. Okay, provider name Shafa Jenny. Yeah, it's a provider name. It's a name. So we are moving to next. Also, if Shaper Jenny means it's also considered as a sign. Okay. If yeah, I'm angel. So I must be write my sign also in a letter. So I'm present Y. I put on Y for this sign. Okay. The name is considered as a sign. So I'm putting Y. If the name is not presented here means the answer is blank. Okay. Alt enter. And the network is little slow. Okay. 24D, it's a line 5. Modifier 1. Yeah, it's correct. I'm moving on to next. Sorry. Alt enter. Yeah, see here, 31 box. Anyone can say answer for this? Anyone? Let's make a try. I won't shout you or something. Let's be cool. Anyone can answer for this? Girls or boys? Do you hear me? Um, no, the answer is blank because no, Baltimore County Emergency is a not a name. See, the answer, the question is provider name. This is not a name, no.
I think there is
So we
no
have
provider
to.
name.
Mm. So the sign date. So we should not write this emergency as considered as a name. It's an organization name. Yes. See, we have to write this here. See, organization name. The question is on edit, so I didn't refer this. But Baltimore County is not a name, so I'm writing this on organization name. Okay, alt enter. When you complete this file means you have to give alt enter. Here, it's also this is Grady EMS LLC. This is also not a provider name, no. This is an organization name, right? Yeah, 33 billing provider. Here it is. I'll show you. This is the name Grady EMS LLC. This is not a provider name. So moving on next. This is provider organization name. You make very clear. Yeah, there is no question number, so just give an alt enter. I think it's a reject form. Yeah, this is not our working form. You can know this is a reject form. The reject form keyword is anyone else?
Shift
Yeah,
control
fine.
enter. Control.
Yeah. Shift control enter. Correct. Shift control enter. Okay. And next, yes, modifier. Only we consider this date modifier. One, everything was correct. It's 211 41186 and NPA lines needed. Yes. Giving alt enter. 31 provider name. This is a provider name or organization name. Coming to 31st question. This is a provider name or organization name.
Organization name.
Just one thing I have to clear. Provider name means one person. Okay. It's depending upon one person. So this is not a
Organization.
name. This is organization name. You can tell it
Organization.
very clearly. Provider full name means it's a one person. Or Jenny, Angel, one Michael, something like name, MD.
Oh.
That means provider name. Okay. Let's clear this. Okay. This is blank. Okay, sign date 5/17/2025. Dates, we shouldn't consider any slash, hyphen, nothing. We have to just write this like this. Okay, see, there is slash, hyphen. We should not want to consider this. We write like this for the date alone, giving alt enter. Yeah, five patient phone number. Five patient phone number is blank. There is no numbers here, so alt enter. This is the last question, so I'm giving alt enter. Yeah, coming up to this from date. Can anyone say this is correct? Come on, guys. Let's answer because you have completed 2 to 3 trainings.
511.
Uh, yeah, 25. Completing this 05/11/25. See here, this is a from date and this is a to date. We are splitting this like from to and POS next. Okay. Giving enter and two line date is blank and was the answer 11 to 5, sorry 05 11 to 5. Yeah, it's a two date answer. What's the answer for POS? Come on, guys, say what's the answer for POS?
42. What?
42.
42. Yeah, 42, correct. Then enter. EMG line 2. Where is EMG line 2? Answer is Y. 24D HCPCS line. Here it is CPT HCPCS. The line to answer is A0436. Okay. 24D modifier 1. Here it is 24D column. This is whole or D column. Okay. Modifier 1. The two alphabet is considered as one modifier. Then modifier 1 is answer is HH. And another bit will be everything it's blank. What will be the answer for 24E direct pointer line 2? 24E dionysius pointer line 2. Anyone?
A, B, and C.
Yeah, correct. A, B, C. Good. And the charges line is 87040. Okay. And days are 5. The EPST line is blank. Okay. And next QL is also blank. Yeah. Here it will be confused like provider ID line. Provider ID line means it will be presented upward on NPA line. See, it's wrongly packed. So we have to 341 6A 0800X. This is a provider ID. It will be presented upward on NPI line. See, this is NPI ID, this is provider ID. Okay. And NPI is blank. So 1578. Okay, it's clear. NTC line is also blank. NTC line will be presented upward on from date here. I'm showing this on courses here. NTC line will be presented here. If anyone remember your TL to NTC sample form. Okay. Yeah. This here 31 provider full name and same South Metro Fire Rescue. This is not a name, so it's blank. So the question is done. So edit and alter. See, it's a 19th question in IFA form. Add client info. Yeah, it will be in short form. Okay, you can see this clearly it's shaded. And what's the answer? Additional claim information. And what's the answer for this? It's blank. It doesn't have any answer. See, really have to see this. You can also track this is also okay. You can track this to move on this file. There is no answer for this. They written this answer on this form. So you have to give backspace. This is empty. So you have to empty this and give enter or accept. Enter and accept is the same thing. Okay. And next question is 23 prior author name 112124. Okay, it's correct. Now moving on to next. There is no question. So I'll enter. No, there is no question number means we have to give alt enter. Yeah, coming up to this same from date to date is everything. See clearly you can see this form. Fourth line is everything is empty. See everyone is empty. So you have to drag this. See all is blank. This is blank means there is no answer. So you have to give alt enter. Okay. The question is 7 insurance zip code. 7 insurance zip code. So drag this and see this. Okay. 7 insurance. This is full of 7 box. It will present like 7 box means city, zip code, everything is on 7. So zip code is here blank. Next control dot, everything is blank. Okay. 26 patient account number. Yeah, coming up to this again I said this before. This is our working form. You should not reject our working form, but there is no 26 question in UB form. This is UB form, but the question is from IFA form. So just we click on alt enter. For accept we have 95%, so we can give alt enter. Okay, there is no problem on that. And coming up to next, the question is 42 revenue code line 3. Here it is line 3. The answer is 0391. Correct. See, this is on this small letter. So what we can do? Capital letter. All must be written on capital letter. Administration. Processing. You should put comma. Processing what? Storage for blood. Sorry, blue. You should put a comma, slash, hyphen, everything on this line. Okay, only for the date we should not consider this. Yes, moving up to next. We should type this to within the 60 second. When we give enter means it will be first up to 60 seconds. Let's see, PC's line is blank. Yes, right here blank. And next, modifier is always blank on UB form. Modifier is always blank on this formula. There is no modifier here. Okay. Every modifier is blank on UB form. This is an UB form, so it's everything blank. Let's check. Service unit is 5. Yeah, correct. Third line, its answer is 5. Yeah, third line, its answer is correct. So, going up to next, Alt enter. Very simple and basic methods in building. This is line from date. Yeah, it's correct. And moving up to next, correct. Everything is correct. Question is over to alternative. Sixth, ninth, everything was correct. So alternative. Same question is repeated. So I'm giving alternative. Okay. Here it is 9 other insurance full name. The ninth box is here, like little shaded. Everything is blank. See, the ninth question is everything blank. So everything is blank. So Alt enter. Here it is. Anyone can answer this. Just before I said this question. Anyone? Additional claim information.
Blank
It is
होगा ये.
additional.
It will be blank.
Yeah, correct. It's a blank. Good ma. This is blank and you have to enter or accept. Enter and accept is the same thing. Okay. Prior authorized number 21216. Okay. It's correct. And moving on, there is no next question, then I'll enter. Yeah. Question is 63. A treatment authorization code. Here it is. 63 treatment authorization code. The 3 section A, B, C. Okay. Everything is blank. See, the whole box is blank. So, Alt enter. Insurance full name. The answer is once I answer for this. This is 38th question. This is 38th box. Here it's shaded now. You can see this here also. Yes. Answer is HMO. This first line is a name. Okay. Every first line is a name. Second line is address. 2803. Okay, first line here you can see first line is a name, second line city, and then state, and then zip code extension, and the last line is phone number. Okay, so this is an address. What is city in this? Anyone?
New York.
Correct. New York. And the state is NY. Zip code 10116. If it's not showing means you can zoom it. Okay. 2803 is zip extension. First 5 number is zip code and last 4 number is zip code extension. Right? Yes, enter or accept. Next file. See, ninth question. A, B, C, D, everything it's blank. It's the ninth question and everything it's blank. You first check It's everything it's blank or not. Yes, it's everything is blank. So give alt enter. Okay. So anyone having a doubt? Anyone doubts on keywords or any questions? The only thing is every answer should be on capital. That's a must. You should not enter any small letters. Everything is in capital letter.
If
Yeah, the
anyone
answer is
have
correct.
any doubt, they can ask team. If anyone have any doubt, they can ask, please.
This is a patient number and this is correct. So everyone is ready to work, no? No one have any questions. So you're all ready to work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you all have any rejected for sample forms? Rejected working form. I told them to send you on sample form. Have you got it? Have you got your sample form?
No.
Oh, okay. I will inform them. Okay. Yeah. See here, it's a 26 patient account number. If there is it is in DG or in small letter or RA it in small letter means everything should be on capital.
Green captain.
Okay. Who's speaking? If you are not answering means you can mute yourself. It's echoing. Okay. Here it is, a 32 facility name. It's an important thing. Everyone should know this. Here the question is facility name, but here is consider this from and to. So you should not write this answer here. The facility name is always blank because of from. It's divided by two from and to. So we are moving to next facilities. City zip code is everything is blank. Yeah, here it is. From organization name. You can clearly see this. From organization name is patient resident. Right? And next. The second line will be the address for from. This is first line is from patient residence. Second one is address, city, and state. Here you can see this is address for this from, and this is city and state from extension. There is no extension for from. See 30314. There is no extension, so it's blank. The answer is already presented here, so I can't explain this. And to address. Here it is to. Yeah, this is to organization name, to address, from and to. It will be this in this single boxes. You can have to address, to city, to I mean both from and to address, to city, to state. Zip codes are presented here, so you clearly must see this. Here 32A facilities and pay is everything. It's blank. Yeah, it's B also blank. So there is no question. Alt enter. If the question number is not presented, means simply you can give alt enter. Yeah, again ninth question. Everything is blank. Just you check it. Everything is blank means alt enter. And you have to speed up your work. Okay. I'm very slow for this to understand. Question is 1A insurance ID. Can anyone answer for this, please? Anyone? Please answer for this. Is correct or not?
Yes, is correct, I think.
No,
I think
this
it's
is CC. G.
okay.
The answer is
CG. Yeah.
CG. Just a simple thing, you have to note this. Okay, da? CGRX 400 just a simple things, but you have to zoom this for the this is the future for this for zooming. Okay, just we can't accept this. It will be if you are accepting this file without this correction means it will be on error. So see this very clearly. Lang Justin, yeah, the name is correct. So moving on to next, there is no question. So edit alt enter. Yeah, line. Answer this. Anyone answer this? 24A to date.
0
It's a easy
9
thing.
1 4 2 0
Yeah,
10.
the zero is not presented here. So 0914. Good.
0 9 1 4 2 0 2 4.
Yeah, correct. For this, already it's correct. A08382. The first modifier
0
is
3 8.
RH. And next. We already seen lot in this question, so we have to correct. Okay. Move on to next. Same question. Yeah. See this. Here it's 24D modifier 1 line 2. This is modifier 1 is blank. This is not modifier 1. This is third modifier. See, you can see now. First, it's a light single, lightly shaded like drops. This is first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. Okay, here it's presented like first line. There is no modifier for this. So modifier 3. Answer in modifier 3. DN. And Agnesia's pointer is blank. Charges is in edit. Okay, 18-day correct. And click control dot. Okay, everything is done. Alt enter. If you do any corrections means is considered as an update. Okay, there is an update we have up to 12%. So and accepting file means these are all accepting files, and this is CFL. This is all accepting files. Accepting files are 95%. Reject like this is a reject form, right? This is not our working form, all full of paragraph. This is a reject form. So reject form percentage is up to 3%. Only if you have continuous reject form means for 4 forms you can reject. Reject form keys is control shift control enter. If you have continuous rejection form means first four reject for first 4 form you must be rejected, and next will be alt enter. Okay, this is also the main thing you have to understand. First 4 form you must reject it, and next 10 to 15 form you can give alt enter. For the threshold limit, that is our main thing in our work. Threshold limit. The question is 10B state. Yeah, here 10B state is blank. There is no answer here. So blank. Uh, so anyone have questions means you can ask. Everyone is ready to work. Yes. How many training have you attended? Anyone?
This is second session.
Kamda, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, this is my second session, ma'am.
Oh, this is your second section. For everyone, it's a second session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay. Okay. This is an diagnosis code D. So we will leave this on 3:30. Okay. So diagnosis code D. Everything is right. So Alt enter. So just leave this meeting. Um, yeah. This is ABCD and answer charger line is this. Days are there. EPC, SQL. Everything is blank. So edit Alt enter. Just we have 2 to 3 keywords. Control dot for next. Control comma for previous. Everyone note down this. Note down this your note or a mobile phone. Control dot for next. See, I'm pressing control dot for next question. And moving on forward, control comma for previous question. You can see this. Yes. The question number is not present yet. So clearly Alt enter. Very simple form question and answer. The line 3 full of blank. See clearly you can see this is a line 3. This is full of blank. So just check here. Everything is blank or not. Yeah, it's blank. So Alt enter. Clear? There is no question mark. So Alt enter. One name insurance ID. Check whether the numbers are correct. Yeah, correct. Moving on next. Everything is on edit. So Alt enter. Coming up next, 21 dimensions code. Yeah, 21 here. E line is empty. Then I'm pressing control dot, control dot, control dot. Everything is on edit. So clicking edit and Alt enter. Patient phone number. Is that correct? Yes, correct. It's like a data entry. You are not know about data entry now. Like this, we have to see this form and pick up the correct answer to fill it. That's the only thing we have to do. See the 28 total charges. 7933300. Yes, it's correct. Um, Anyone can answer for this? Provider name. 33 provider name. Come on, quick. There is a time to end.
I think there is no provider name.
Yeah, correct. There is an no provider name. It's blank. Super. Uh, I think you're all ready for our logins. For
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone, there is an there is an everyone for a username and password. It furnished by our team. Everyone has individual username and password. Okay. When you are ready to work, you can ask your team to lead this. It's everything is blank and I'll enter. Again, the same method. Okay. See, same method. We have to pick this answer and you have to write here. That's the only thing we have to do. Insurance ID. We have seen this ninth question. When we have this question means you have to see this and enter this. Very simple. Everything is not edit, so I'll enter. Only few more keywords. So easy. We are easy to work. Okay. 32 facility name. As I said before, if the from and to is presented means there is no facilities. Every facilities is blank. From and to presented means facilities full of blank.
ये हो रहा है ये साउंड कैंसिल.
So full of blank. Yeah, it's blank. See, what the answer for is from organization name. Can anyone say this? From organization name answer.
Pick up from scene.
Yeah, correct. Good one, ma. Pick up from scenes, correct. And next, from address means next line. Next line. Monument Doctor W over 1 the I. It's not 1, okay. It's I double six. Okay, it's a from and up to comma. You have to write all this answer. This is an address. Yes, enter. And next, you can copy here. You should not want to write here. You can copy this. Sometimes it will be present. Sometimes it will be not. Fairfax from cities. Okay, that is Fairfax. And the status. Status VA.
Ma'am, member have some questions in the message box. Kindly explain them.
I didn't understand that. Again. Come on again.
Member have some questions in the message box. Kindly explain them.
Oh, I have to explain this. Okay. This is an from. There is two section. It's divided. No. See. Let's see. Wait. Yeah. Here it is. This is from zip code. Question is from zip code. So the answer is here. It's from. First is organization name. Second line is monument Dr. W over its address, the city, and this is state, and this is zip code. Right? You can see here. First line is organization. Here it is question from organization, from address. This is from. This is second. Two lines are representing from address, from city, from state, and from zip code. Okay. There is no from extension. Only 5 numbers are here. Okay. So there is no extension. And for 2, see here the question is to address. And the answer is Innova Fairfax Hospital. Is this correct? No. The answer is 3300 Gallows Road. Already mentioning road. So 2. This is 2 address and 2 city is Walshu and 2 state is VA. Get it? 2 address is this. And 2 city was a 2 city Walshu. See everyone see this. If the box is presented like from 2 means, you have to see this. The question is 2 city. First line is always be organization name. Second line is address. The second line, this one is city. We should address this and memorize this first. Just let confusion on first. When you have work, you will be clear on this. Yeah, state to state is correct. 22042. 22042. Yeah, correct. And next, Here, this answer will be presented like here. See this 137, like here it is blank, but the answer will be like this. For example, I explain this. Answer will be like this too. Here it is empty. So, Alt enter. This is an reject form. This question is 5 patient zip extension, right? Anyone can answer this?
There is no
5
extension.
again. Again, da, be loud.
There is no extension.
There is no extension. Yes, there is no extension. First, it's only the zip code. So it's blank. Check the number whether it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. So Alt enter. Fourth line is everyone is blank. So Alt enter. There is no question number here. So Alt enter. Yeah, 21th question. 21 Danish code B. Here, light little shaded. V2L is everything is blank. So just drag down and see everything is blank. Yes, it's everything it's blank. So Alt enter. Again, same question. 21 ICD indicator. ICD indicator is, for example, it will be present at 0, 10. The same answer. Mostly it will be 0. Yeah, it's correct. Diagnosis code A. Yeah, answer is E11.44. Okay, correct. Yes, 91.209A. Correct. Answer is correct. D2L is everything is blank. See, every answer is blank. So let's drag down. It's blank. Everything is blank. So just give Alt enter. 1A insurance ID. Check whether the answers are correct. 000. You can see here also. You can see clearly. It's correct. It's a from date and the line 4. Line 4 is everything. It's blank. See, you can clearly see this. Everything is blank. So just drag down and check whether it's blank. So give Alt enter. Yeah, it's a reject form. See, this is the 17th question. I said before meeting, I said 17th this is DN. DQ means it represents as QL. Okay, it's a QL. DQ, DN. For example, I'm saying also it may be present like DN. DN, DQ, it must be QL. And next, full of name. Andrews James E. Bar MD, it's a name. Yeah, its spelling was correct. And moving on to next. 17A qualifier, it's empty. And next, it's also empty. And what's the answer for this? 1629086 right? See, this second is going to end. We should enter answer before the seconds. This one field. That's the main thing. See, the second is going to 57. It's reducing. Control dot. Giving control dot to next. Yeah. So everything was clear. So I'm giving Alt. Fourth line. Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth line. Modifiers. Everything is modified as blank. And moving on next. Yeah, charges are correct. and days are correct. This is on editing. And you should not enter this. Okay, see this. Everyone can see this. No, you should not rewrite this letters. You can skip this. This is not an NDC. I told you that from date above is NDC, but this is not an NDC answer. This you can just skip this. This is an overwrite of our field, just an overwriting. Like some receipt and receipt sealed. No, skip that. Okay. 26 patient account number. 250117. Yeah, it's right. So moving on next. See again from and to. So when the boxes from and to presented means facilities is always blank. Facility name is blank. Facilities address is blank. Facility city is blank. Everyone is facilities blank. See now from organization name. There is from organization name? No. There is empty. Only starting from address. Yeah, here it is address. From there is no organization name. No, it's starting from address and city and state, zip code, extension. There is no extension in this from. See, first line is address, second line is city, state, zip code. There is no zip code extension. And two also to address. Okay. This is a blank. Okay, here it is. The line alignment is little up backwards, so it's blank. So here also from and to is here. So facilities is always blank. Okay, all the facilities is blank. So what's up from organization? Answer: patient resident. See, the answer is patient residence. And the from address answer is, see here, this is a from answer, this is a to answer. First two line is from answer, second two line is two answers. So the from address is 414616. So I am just copying this. Okay, you should type this 4616 Windsor Rich or DR. Okay. And next city. City. City's answer is Irving. So up to comma it's address. Next to comma is a city. You should remember like this. Okay. Up to comma. This up to DR to comma to address. Next comma it's a city. From city. You can remember like that. TX and 75038. There is no extension for from. Only zip code is there, so it's empty. It's not address, no. Medical city last domain, it's a not address. This is only address, so I can copy this. So the answer is C. Name. Second line is address 6800N Magnitude BLBD. I think it's a city. So address. Anyone can answer for this? Anyone? Capital city. See, two. Where is the city?
Irving TX. Irving, sorry.
Yeah, correct. Good. And the state is TX. Okay. And there is no more answer. Oh, sorry, question. So I am giving 110. We can't give alt enter while this is in an edit. So what I'm giving this pressing this edit. Okay. See, I'm now pressing alt enter. It's not moving to next field. Okay. So I'm pressing this and giving alt enter. This is the only purpose for edit. We should not give any answer to this edit question. So same questions, ICD indicator, and everything is planned. Okay, let's end up. Have you all clear, somewhat clear? Anyone? Anyone can talk something like what you have understand, or I can keep slow, or going too fast. See, this is the answer. See, 19 additional time info from up to this full
Ma'am,
form you have to enter
ma'am,
this.
I
Ah,
have
yeah,
some
right.
questions.
Yeah, same.
Ma'am, if we log out before 1 hour, so it causes any problem or not?
No, no, it's not a problem. But don't log out before 2 to 3 minutes. Don't work like this. Okay, up to
Okay.
1 hour, half an hour, one. You can up to half an hour, 1 hour. See, I
Okay.
show you this, but
And ma'am,
this is my. Yeah. Yes.
okay, okay.
Ah, same.
How much minimum time we can work on this platform? Like minimum time? Half an what?
Minimum time 5 hours.
5 hours. Okay.
Maximum you have to work 6 to 8 hours. But you
Okay.
have another work. This is you are doing a part time. Like part time means you have to work at least 5 hours.
Okay. And there is a
Okay.
sheet. There is any sheet where we have to update our login and log out information?
Yeah, no sheets. Yeah, login you have clear. No, there's a two username password you have login. Logout means see. I will show this logout.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm giving alt enter. No, when you are giving alt enter, there is this complete to moving on next field. This complete and logout means I'm going to log out.
Mm-hmm.
This is the correct method to log out. Okay.
Okay.
Give or enter means I will get next file.
Okay.
Complete and logout means I will get logout. See, okay. Are you sure you want to complete and logout? Okay. I mean
Mm-hmm.
it will come logout.
Mm-hmm.
Simple thing. Okay.
Okay.
This is all the IDs. Like you have an individual IDs furnished by our team.
Mm-hmm.
So you must log in here. See, this is a username. This is a password. First time you have entered this means please save your password and clicking on I am not a robot and clicking continue. This is the way to log in. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, ma. Okay. Any questions?
Thank you, ma'am. No more questions.
No more questions. Yeah. Thank you. So, okay, everyone can leave this meeting. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.